Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to forward a sticker from a group on Instagram. This updated method is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your messages and groups. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It resembles a paper airplane and is usually located in the top right corner. Tap on this icon to enter your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find and open the group chat that contains the sticker you want to forward. This group chat will show all the conversations and shared media among its members. Now, locate the sticker you wish to forward within the chat. When you find it, simply click and hold on the sticker until a menu appears. This action will give you several options related to that sticker. From the menu that appears, select Forward. This option allows you to send the sticker to other users or groups directly. After tapping Forward, you will be prompted to choose the recipients for your sticker. You can select multiple people if you want to share it with several friends at once. Once you've made your selections, simply click on Send to forward the sticker. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a sticker from a group on Instagram. It's a great way to share fun stickers with friends who might not be in that specific group chat. Be sure to keep your Instagram app updated for the best experience and access to all new features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.